It's like on my ledge! It's on my ledge! Look at my freaking ledge. Hey guys! Guess who finally made it?
There was hella traffic. But it's okay, we made it. Oh my god. Is my forehead that really? Wait, don't look at my forehead.
Boy. Look at this. Literally Top Gun. Oh, oh! Wow, that was so full. Goal! Okay, hole in one. Oh yeah, we're not even here. Okay, okay, get it, get it, get it.
Okay.
Boy, what
okay,
was that?
Ken.
You weren't even giving. You weren't even giving. Like,
oh, you want? Okay, you two can play that game. Two can. Okay, okay, go.
what the hell?
Bitch, you have an advantage because I have stuff in my hand.
Give me it. Since you want to like play the
Oh.
little disadvantage card. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Okay, ready? Hold your freaking drink.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Oh shit.
Hey.
Oh. Okay.
Oh. Ow.
Yeah. That's what I thought. That's what I thought.
Oh.
Okay, last round. Oh my gosh, that's a foul. Oh my god. Guys, that's literally a foul. It's getting in my eye.
Let's freaking go. Ow, let's freaking stand in my wound.
Why do you not have a freaking... Wait, oh. Here, good. Check this out, yeah? Hold on.
What the hell are you doing? Okay, Lana Del Rey. Okay, Lana Del Rey. Will you still love me?
Dude, there's people literally watching. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Well done. Oh, sorry.
I got fans, yeah. I have people watching me. It's literally not a big deal, yeah.
We're celebrating. Oh my gosh. We're celebrating like Violet's day because she doesn't want to celebrate her birthday with mine on the same day as me, so.
You're literally talking.
Okay, but like, yeah, actually I deserve my own day though. Because I'm the better twin.
What makes you the better twin? Oh wait, it should be like that MTV like
Literally,
okay.
literally we're on MTV, ready?
Okay, so literally how do you feel about your sister not wanting to celebrate the same birthday as you?
Honestly, I think honestly like it's actually really selfish. First of all, I'm the better twin than her. It's like, hey, first of all, I thought you were asking me, who's over there?
Sorry,
what?
sir. Okay, sorry.
This is what I think of your little drink that you little. Oh. Foul!
Okay, yeah, so how does it make you feel? Like, how are you right now?
Honestly, when she comes over here after she's done changing, I'm gonna dump this freaking drink on her head. And y'all gonna see that.
But it's just like, why?
Because it's like, who does she think she is? Not wanting to celebrate her own birthday with her own twin brother, even though it's not even her birthday today.
But maybe she just doesn't...
And it's not even her birthday, she just chose like a random freaking day.
Maybe she wants to be her own person. How do you feel about that?
Okay, what is she, Barbie now?
Yeah.
She thinks she's Barbie. She thinks she's the main character, but no. It's literally my show. It's literally named after me. You know what?
Really?
Your question, your turn. Alright, so what do you go over here? The sun's like the lights over here. So like,
damn, that fish is hella fucking bright. How do you manage to see?
I didn't. So like, what do you think about the Violet's day? Okay, are you even hearing the question? That's what I did.
What?
What do you? What do you? Oh, what do you think? Wait, hey, what do you think of? Hey, what do you think of Violet's day today? It's supposed to be Violet's day today. You're kind of like taking all like the spotlight. Oh my gosh.
I don't see her. I don't see her.
Bitch, you can't see anything. Your eyes are closed.
I can't see. She's not here, so yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Tell us, how do you feel? Wait, how does it feel to be back in Santa Cruz?
I actually just love. I think this is like a
Can you
really.
even swim?
This is like really a vacation for me, honestly. Yeah.
Yeah. So like, oh, there he goes. Oh, that is so cinematic.
Thank you. What the hell? They need to wash their freaking ball.
How many like stars do you have in there? Like literally, it's like how long have you been recording?
Literally not at all.
Yeah. So in the string is a frappuccino. You should totally get a Starbucks.
In this
Double shot.
In this drink is your butt.
Wait, who is that?
Celestia, what the? Oh my gosh.
Hey! How play some volleyball? Doing good. Yeah, we're just waiting for the birthday. Who do I give it to? Who do I give it?
Aaron. Oh, that's soju? Yeah, she's not.
It's
she's not the freaking illegal drinking. So.
It's frappuccino. Get it right. Double shot.
Hey, what do we do?
This is how we do it.
How we do it?
We gotta get some wet sand. We gotta make wet sand. Because if it's too wet, it's gonna stick inside.
Right?
Yes.
Bruh. Oh my gosh. Little tutorial, guys.
This is our tutorial. Oh my god, make sure my dogs aren't in the video.
Okay, I'll edit it out.
Like cover it with like a sensor. Can you censor it like Jack Champion?
Yeah. That's good enough. I don't know, little corners.
Yeah. Okay. And then you gotta make a flat surface because you want it even.
Yeah. We need a little flat terrain for our castle. Alright, that's the entrance.
Like that.
That's the entrance?
I like that word.
What?
Terrain. Okay.
Okay.
Get a little smack.
Alright, alright.
A little squeeze.
Wow.
Ta-da!
Now we need our tower right next to it, and
Right
we need
next to
another
it.
tower.
Oh my gosh.
God.
We want like right.
Okay,
Oh!
now we need more.
Okay. There's some wet sand right here. So use resources wisely.
Yeah.
Make sure it's like wet.
Oh, there's a shell in there. Oh. It's like our flag.
Oh my god, that's your flag. Oh. Okay.
Okay, ready?
You do the honors this time.
I'm gonna mess it up. I'm actually gonna mess it up though. Like, you do it.
I have a feeling this one's not gonna look good. I don't know why. Oh!
Oh,
Okay. It's okay, guys.
All right. She's just not like other girls though. Like, she's just.
Okay, here's the backstory of why that one's like that. We recently had a war.
Yeah.
And they used the cannon and it like broke
They
the wall.
literally attacked our tower, like actually.
That was our tutorial.
This is the missile. Oh my god!
I could give them another hack for the beach, okay?
Okay, ready?
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay. Okay. See how there's like wet sand? It's like nasty on
Yeah.
You just gotta with dry
Okay.
sand. With dry sand and it comes off.
You're using like Earth's natural resources. Wait, why are you right? Oh my gosh.
See guys.
Wow. Life hack. Oh, I don't know.
Oh my god.
It's hella cool. What the heck? I didn't even see it coming.
You got me fucked up.
My shorts are wet.
Is this what?
Oh! Why are you so calm? Literally unfazed. Literally unfazed. Literally unfazed.
Literally. I swear to God, if
Watch it, you'll see. Someday I'll be.
That's gross. That's so disgusting.
Your turn. Ew.
Hey, alright, y'all, we here.
We hired
And it's my birthday.
her birthday.
And since we don't drink, we're just gonna take shots of espresso.
No, yeah, this is just literally just espresso. It's literally.
And we had to stop by Starbucks. Oh shit!
Are you trying the Henny?
No, it's just soju.
No, that's
Oh shit!
Pour me some Henny.
Come on, hold it.
Bro, like. It's not even that bad, like. Go in the water again if you go. How did y'all not react?
Oh, this is it. This is it for me. What's up, y'all? So we're celebrating my 19th birthday.
Yeah. We're like our 21.
Everybody here, and I'm so glad that they came.
She's not really all there right now.
Ow!
Run!
It's not going! I'm not going!
Wait, me. I wanna go.
What the oh, shit.
Yo!
But you're not even going! You might have been moving!
Oh, am I supposed to not move?
Y'all, so we're finally back in the car from the beach and we're a little like exhausted and tired and dirty. So
Very dirty.
I'm gonna change back to my outfit.
I don't have an outfit to change into. Or out of.
Literally.
Man.
So yeah, Violet is literally sleeping. How's she sleeping with a towel over her face?
Just keeps her warm.
Are you sure she's sleeping?
Yeah, she's breathing.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm certain.
Yeah, she's breathing, guys.
You're saying that like we killed her. Yeah, no, she's alive.
Yeah, she's alive, guys.
Promise, trust.
I'm being for real.
Trust
Yeah,
me.
I'm being for real.
For real. Facts, no printer. Is that what people say now?
I mean, I'm pretty sure that was like 2020, but yeah. Oh, here's Abraham.
It's very hot in here. Very sandy. I don't know if you could tell.
Literally.
Violet is passed out.
What's up? What are you doing? What are you showing them?
Alright, there you go.
How do you feel?
I'm literally so great right now. Anyways, yeah, I wish that my cousin was here right now because the fuck? Like, it's her birthday. She needs to get turned right now. Wait, fit check. Okay, I'll start with myself. Boyfriend, Victoria's Secret, thrifted, and Crocs. Period.
Girlfriend.
He's so for real. You do not. I wish.
What the hell? Keep going! I'm lightheaded!
Bro, how do you?
Oh, my neck!
Oh shit!
I'm gonna get like whiplash. Dude, that's pretty hard.
No matter what you say or what you do. Bitch, I'm doing all the fucking work. They said equal rights equal. No, I'm just kidding.
Go!
Bitch, what do you think I'm doing?
This is our last ride, guys. The last ride of the day.
Until we go home. Are we getting dinner?
Oh, I don't know. I don't know.
Dinner? I kind of want dinner.
I work at 10 in the morning tomorrow, so.
Oh.
But I'm down to get dinner.
You can just sleep in the car.
Exactly. Anyways, dude, my hair has been messed up from these rides.
My voice is messed up.
I know, bro. Part 2.
You love vlogs.
Part 2. What do you mean part 2? Not vlog 2. Wait, take my phone for the mirror. Because it'll be
Okay.
Oh gosh.
I think I'm tired.
Boy, what the hell? What the hell y'all doing?
I thought you only get one today.
Hi guys.
If you post on time, you get
Pipper right now.
Oh.
Never heard of that?
TV Crib. Right here's my, it's just like my aquarium right now. It's a fucking progress. Come here, say something. Here's my servant, Bitch, it's not that fucking serious.
After this live, go straight down.
So we hopped in the back of a van.
After you turn left, go straight
I don't know what's
down.
going on. I don't know who to believe.
To the side.
I feel like I'm in like Persevere Wallflower.
Picture of me.
This is my life.
Stop.
This is who I am.
Fucking hell.
Wait, be careful.
It's true. Anyone who they can't be who you want to be.
Just got out. Santa Cruz, just down to Burrito. Feeling good. We got 2 hours. Nachos? Oh no. Oh. We got 2 hours left. Should be fine.
Yeah.
Catch you guys later.
Guys, I literally lost my freaking voice. And now I'm gonna sound like this forever. I can't freaking talk. Chris, what do I do? Chris, I can't even stream anymore. I just sound like I'm whispering.
Good, so I can sleep.
This freaking dude. Yeah, when he goes to sleep, I'm gonna freaking put a pillow over his face. That's what's gonna happen.
Wait.
That's what's gonna happen. That's what's gonna happen when you fall asleep too. Dude, I can't freaking talk.
Oh my gosh, you're just making it worse for yourself.
I'm literally Ariel from The Little Mermaid right now. I can't sing anymore. It's giving Trina Vega when her throat got hit by the.
Are you okay?
I can't talk anymore. Dude, I sound like a Muppet.
I mean, you always have been.
Give me my hat back. Give me my hat back.
Mine now. Shit.
Give me my hat back.
Nor.
I sound like Peter Parker. I sound like Tom Holland's Peter Parker.
But you're just not straight.
Hey guys, I'm an Avenger now. Dude, I can't even talk. Hey, what's wrong with my voice? Chris, help me. Chris, don't leave me here.
I'm living in there.
We're at the gas station.
Hi.
Y'all should literally give me like voice impressions to do since my voice is like this for now.
What's
Okay.
that? Intended
Marge.
Leviosa.
Intended Leviosa, it's... Oh, how's it go? Lemgardian Leviosa.
Guardian.
No, I sound like, look, ready? Homer! Homer, where's the kids? Where's Lisa and Bart?
I don't know.
Mr. Stark?
I don't know, a lot of like voices like that.
Mr. Stark? I don't feel so good, Mr. Stark.
Ew. Mr. Stark. Mr. Stark.
Wait, so you're saying I'm an Avenger now? Literally, I sound like Tom Holland. Like, I literally
Wait, you sound like someone that I know. Hold on.
I know. I don't know what I sound like.
Wait, say it without like a little bit of a hype.
Watch me dance the night away.
Okay, hold on. Check this out. Check this out, huh?
I know, it's freaking God.
Okay, you ready?
She a baddie, she's showing her panties.
What?
She did that, Jen.
Oh.
Do the Ice Spice tour.
Turn around and do it.
Come on, do the Ice Spice tour.
Hell no, there's people here.
Okay.
Bitch, who the fuck is looking?
Can't do that though. You do it.
Wait, I'll do it.
Okay, I'll do it. Come on.
Hold on.
Oh, hell nah. Ew.
Smell it.
Oh. Ew, no, I'm like Glenn.
It smells like roses.
Roses. Glizzy. Yum, yum, yum. So full. Oh, hey, that's it. Oh, they were like literally. Why are they watching us?
They just fans.
Glizzies. Yum, yum, yum. So full.
Okay.
Okay, your turn.
Yummy.
Whoa.
Oh my bad, I didn't realize.
Oh, I thought that was a random person for a second. I was like scared.
Okay, y'all. What time is it?
It's 1:46.
Where's my phone?
See ya, bye.
Oh, bye, Trash. Say bye.
Bye, I'll see you later.
Bye.
To the camera.
Of course. Bye, bye vlog. I'll see you later.
See you, Kristen.
Guys, where's my phone? I can't find my phone. I can't find my phone.
Just take care of it later.
Did you take my phone?
Why would I do that?
No, Tress.
Wait, go out there.
Okay, y'all, so that's basically the end of the vlog. I'm gonna need to make some tea. I need to make some tea till I can't even freaking talk. I can't freaking talk anymore. My voice is gone. So yeah, that was basically our trip to Santa Cruz. Yeah, maybe we'll do it again. Maybe. I don't know. But thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time. Bye.